Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.2 question number 1. Find the sum. Before that you have to know that plus 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 into plus plus into plus, we multiply plus with plus, we will get plus sign, that is plus. And if we multiply minus sign with minus sign, we are also getting minus into minus is plus. And if we multiply plus sign with minus sign, we will also get minus. And if we multiply minus sign with plus sign, we will also get minus sign. Now here is the question number 1. Question number 1 is 5 by 4 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4 minus 11 by 4. Here the denominators are same, therefore take the LCM as 4, take the LCM as 4, and this is 5 plus, in bracket it is minus 11, right? Therefore we are getting 5 plus into minus is minus, therefore it is minus 5 minus 11 by 4, right? Now 5 minus 11 is minus 6 by 4. If we change the lowest term, 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4, then you are getting minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and that is the answer, right? Now question number 2 is 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5, right? First of all, find the LCM of 3 by 5, that is 15, right? If we divide by 15 by 3, you get 5, that is 5 into 5 plus, if we divide with this 15 by 5, that is 3, then you are getting 3 into 3. Therefore you are getting 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25 plus 3 3 is 9 by 15. 25 plus 9, that is 9 plus 5 is 14, carry 1, it is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3, 34 by 15. Therefore 34 by 15 is the answer of question number 2. Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 1 2 3. Question number 3 is minus 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. Find the LCM of 10 and 15. Find the LCM of 10 and 15. If you divide by 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15, the LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. It is 10, 3 10 is 30. LCM is 30. Therefore we are getting the LCM as 30. This LCM as 30. If we divide 30 by 10, it is 3. That is minus 9 into 3. Minus 9 into 3 plus, if we divide 30 by 15, it is 2. That will be 22 into 2. That means you are getting minus 3 9 is 27, minus 27 plus 22 into 2 is 44. 4 by 30. Now subtract 44, subtract 27 from 44. 44 subtract my 27 minus 27, that is 7. 2 plus 1 3 4 17, that comes to 17 by 30. 17 by 30. Now we see which number is greater, 44 or 27. 44 is greater, that is with plus sign, that is 17 by 30. This is the answer of question number 3. Now we will solve question number 4. Question number 4, here you see is, question number 4 is this one, that is question number 4 is minus 3 by 11. Question number 4 is minus 3 by minus 11 by minus 11 plus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator by minus 1, it will be plus. That we are getting 3 by 11 plus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Or if we take the LCM, that is 11 into 9, 9 11 is 99. And if we divide 99 by 11, you will get 9, that is 3 into 9. Plus if we divide 99 by 9, you will get 11, that is 5 into 11. 5 into 11. That means you are getting 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. 27 plus 5 11 is 55. 55. 5 11 is 55. This is 5. This number is 5. 55 divided by 99. If we add the numbers, that is 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 carry 1, 5 1 6, 7 8, 82 by 99. Therefore, the answer of question number 4 is 82 by 99. 82 by 99, right? Now, here you find the next question is question number 5. Question number 5 you see here is, now here you see the answer is 82 by 99. Next we will solve question number solve question number